Now let us understand what are the secretarial compliances to be made for the purpose of LLP. Minimum number of designated partners. Every LLP shall have at least 2 partners who would be designated partners, and out of which at least 1 partner shall be the resident in India. The director identification number. Every designated partner will have to obtain a director's identification number (DIN), and it is valid for the lifetime. Consent. An individual shall give his prior consent to the LLP in a form number 9 to act as a designated partner. Particulars of a designated partner. Filing of a consent of a designated partner to act as such with the registrar of a companies in e-form number 4 within 30 days of the appointment of a designated partner. Vacancy of a designated partner. Filing of a vacancy in designated partner within 30 days of the vacancy, and the same is to be intimated to the registrar of a LLP. Incorporation document. The incorporation document shall be filed in a form number 2 with the registrar within 30 days of the date of incorporation along with the fee. Books of account. LLP shall maintain the proper books of account for each year on a case basis or on the accrual basis, and according to the double entry system of accounting at its registered office. Annual returns. An annual return is required to be filed with the registrar in e-form number 11 within 60 days from the end of a financial year. Investment or borrowing. The LLP agreement shall govern the investment or borrowing power of the partner or a designated partner as the act or the rules are the silent. Remuneration to the partners or a designated partner. The LLP Act 2008 and the LLP Rules 2009 are silent in this regard. The partner or a designated partner may get the remuneration as mentioned in the LLP agreement or a deed, or as discussed among the partner or a designated partner, and as the act or rules are the silent.